In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Microsoft Clarity to website. By the end, you'll have Clarity connected so you can view session recordings, heat maps, and insights that help you improve your site. Start by opening your browser and searching for Microsoft Clarity. In the results, look for the official Microsoft Clarity website. Double-check the URL so you're on the legitimate Microsoft page and not an ad or a third-party site. Once you're on the Clarity homepage, sign in. Use an existing account or create one if you're new. If you have multi-factor authentication enabled, complete that step so you can access your dashboard securely. After you log in, you'll land in the Clarity dashboard. From here, create a new project. Give it a clear, recognizable name so your team knows what it's for. Enter your website's URL. Use the exact domain your visitors use, such as the root domain or a specific subdomain if that's what you're tracking. Choose your website's industry to help Clarity tailor analytics, then click Add New Project to create it. With the project created, Clarity shows you installation options. You can view all platforms to see a list of supported website builders and CMSs, grab a tracking code for manual installation, or view instructions if you plan to install with NPM. For this walkthrough, select View All Platforms. From the platform list, choose Wix. Clarity will display a short, visual guide showing how the Wix integration works. Keep that page open as a reference. Now, log into your Wix account and open your site's dashboard. On the left sidebar, click the App Market icon. In the search bar, type Microsoft Clarity and open the official Clarity app. Click Add to Site to start the connection. When prompted, click Agree and Add to accept the permissions needed for analytics to function. You'll be asked to connect a Clarity project. Select the project you just created in Clarity, then click Continue. That completes the integration on the Wix side. At this point, Clarity is linked to your site. Data won't appear instantly. Give it a little time and generate some activity by navigating your pages as a visitor would. Soon, you'll start seeing recordings, heat maps, and engagement metrics inside the Clarity dashboard. If you ever prefer a different setup, remember you can return to your Clarity project and choose the manual tracking code or NPM instructions instead of a platform integration. That's it. Your website is now connected to Microsoft Clarity and ready to deliver actionable insights.